Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Parker at McDonald Buick GMC Cadillac. We are your GMC Giant, and it's time for another Car Tip Tuesday. For today's tip, I wanted to show you an easy way to clean some of the nooks and crannies on your car that may be a little bit hard to reach. Two simple tools. One is a little foam paintbrush that you can pick up at the dollar store, pretty much anywhere really. These are great. The other one, just a screwdriver with a cloth. How it works is the vents on your car right here. You just take your little foam paintbrush, you can stick it in and get there and clean up all the dust and stuff like that. Very easy to keep it nice and clean. With your cloth and screwdriver, just put the cloth over the screwdriver like so. You might want to double it up. This here is a fairly skinny cloth, so you don't want to leave any damage or anything like that. So just kind of double it up like so. And then you can really kind of get it in there and clean. Again, don't push too hard. You just want to kind of get some of the goop and grime that might accumulate in there. That's pretty much about it. Again, thank you so much for watching. And until next week, speed safe.